Hello guys, so welcome back to Language Learning, welcome back to Sepedi Lesson Challenge. So this is day 8 of 21 day Sepedi Challenge. So today we're going to be looking at days of the week in Sepedi language. So today we're going to be doing questions and answer sessions. So I will be displaying multiple choices to choose from on the screen, and please choose the correct answer so that at the end of the video, please drop how many questions you got correct. So without the waste of time, let's get it with our today's video. So the first day, obviously, we have Monday. So what is Monday called in Sepedi? So we have A, Mantara, B, Mushupolo, C, Labobedi. So what is the correct answer? So the correct answer is B, Mushupolo. Monday is called Mushupolo. So many of you might be wondering, why is it not a Manta? So Manta is a borrowed word from Afrikaans language. So the correct word for Monday in Sepedi language is Mushupolo. I hope that is clear. So the next one we have Tuesday. Is it A, Laboraro, B, Mushupolo, C, Labobedi? What is the correct answer? So the correct answer is C, Labobedi. Tuesday is called Labobedi. So the next one we have Wednesday. So what is Wednesday called in Sepedi? Is it A, Labohlano, B, Laboraro, C, Sonntag? What is the correct word? So the correct answer is B. Wednesday is called Laboraro. Wednesday is called Laboraro. The next one we have Thursday. What is Thursday called in Sepedi? Is it A, Mushupolo, B, Laboraro, C, Labone? What is the correct answer? So the correct answer is C, Labone. Tuesday is called Labone. So let's go to our fifth day. We have Friday. What is Friday called in Sepedi? Is it A, Labohlano, B, Sonntag, C, Mushupolo? What is the correct answer? So the correct answer is A, Labohlano. Friday is called Labohlano. Friday is called Labohlano. So we have the sixth day, Saturday. So Saturday, what is it called in Sepedi? Is it A, Labohlano, B, Mukibelo, C, Laboraro? So the correct answer is B, Mukibelo. Saturday is called Mukibelo. Saturday is called Mukibelo. So the next and the last day we have Sunday. What is Sunday called in Sepedi? Is it A, Sonntag, B, Lamorena, C, Labohlano? What is the correct answer? So the correct answer here is B, Lamorena. The correct answer here is B. Sunday is called Lamorena. So again, many of you might be wondering, why is it not a Sonntag? So Sonntag is also a borrowed word from Afrikaans language. So the correct word for Sunday in Sepedi language is Lamorena. So that's it for our day 8 of 21 day Sepedi challenge. Don't forget to like, follow or subscribe.